From the opulent future adventure, greetings. The Volvo Motorhome for 2026 is examined in this article. Its aerodynamic exterior defies traditional motorhome design rules and guarantees a stunning, futuristic look with its streamlined body lines, streamlined hood, and Volvo's famous Thor's hammer LED headlights. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, this RV's next-generation hybrid electric powertrain system combines an electric drive system for silent, eco-friendly city driving with an efficient combustion engine for long-distance travel. With regenerative braking technology and integrated solar panels on the roof, this system blends sustainability with electricity. It greets you with a cockpit that looks like a luxury SUV. In the middle of Volvo's recognizable minimalist design is a floating 15-inch touchscreen that runs the latest version of the Android Automotive OS. This screen serves as the vehicle's command center, controlling navigation, entertainment, and RV data like water tank level and battery life. The excellent ergonomic leather upholstery of the driver's and front passenger seats, which also has heating, cooling, and massaging features, guarantees the highest level of comfort for long-distance travel. LiDAR and a 360-degree camera system are standard on Volvo vehicles. The main space perfectly captures the majesty of Scandinavian design. Premium wool mixes, eco-friendly materials like Nordico, and touches of light ash or birch would create a calm and roomy atmosphere. A slide-out mechanism allows the living area's cozy, multi-purpose couch seating to be moved to make more room while parked. Large panoramic windows and a full-height glass roof bring in plenty of natural light, while adjustable LEDs create a warm ambient lighting at night. On a mobile device, the bedroom is comparable to a 5-star hotel suite. The room is made for comfortable sleeping and has a full-sized queen or king bed with an orthopedic mattress. Soft-touch wall panels contrast with the surrounding decor's light, natural wood finish motif. You may sleep under the stars or wake up to a sight of the dawn from the comfort of your haven thanks to the roomy, full-height closets, concealed storage drawers, and panoramic windows with built-in blackout shades. The restroom is referred to as a high-tech washroom and is a little luxury retreat. It has a rainfall shower head, smooth tiling, and a glass walk-in shower door. The sophisticated vanity has an opulent basin and soothing LED lighting. Importantly, it integrates environmentally friendly ventilation and water management technology, offering a revitalizing experience while upholding Volvo's eco-friendly philosophy and giving every facet of road life a refined and significant feel. Let's finally take a look inside the kitchen. With energy-efficient, modern features like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a useful sink, this kitchen was probably created with traveling cooks in mind. You'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals wherever you go thanks to ingenious counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels that blends technology, sustainability, and elegance to deliver an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?